Oh my god. Appears to be we have a severe thunderstorm watch for today for Chicago. This is until midnight. This is not good. Ooh. Appears to be we have a severe thunderstorm watch today.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until midnight Wednesday.
Severe thunderstorm watch number
This watch includes
440.
the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, Lee, McHenry,
This is from
Ogle,
Milwaukee,
Stevenson,
Sullivan.
Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana; Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area.
Let's turn on the
While
channel.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather
Oh my
information.
god. That's been good.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 81.